Right, yo, we're back. We're back in the same place where we started the filming for the last adventure. We're both on different bikes. Ian is here. I'm on a new but cheap mountain bike. I've packed it up differently, just for a change. But on the next trip I'm going to be back on the Trek 520. And Ian's got a brand new bike where he's partially built himself.
Yeah, it's a Genesis Longitude steel bike packing rig. Basically, I've been building various bike frames up, trying to make something like this, and in the end I just thought I'm going to buy the real thing.
Yeah, looks very nice.
Yeah, it's good so far. I'm liking it.
And we're on the River Trent. We're going up the usual route. When we get up near other side of Nottingham, we're going to go a different route and we're heading to Grantham. Tomorrow, which will probably be on a separate video, we're going to be going down the Grantham canal back to Nottingham. I'm not going to film a lot more till the other side of Nottingham, so we'll catch you later. Oh, having a drink. We are in Cockgrave. Yeah, Right, we're up in a very scenic place. It's a shame the camera won't really pick it up. We just stopped for a break and done a few adjustments to my bike. We've been up hills, it looks like we're going downhill. And it's just amazing scenery. Right, we're going down country lanes. We should be near the Grantham canal soon. We're only going to ride on it for a while apparently. I do believe we've made it to the Grantham Canal. Which we'll be back on tomorrow, which will probably be on the second video. I'd probably get confused about which way it was. This is definitely the right way, because
Yeah.
my sense of direction would tell me it's the other way.
No, that's the way we usually cross that road to go this way.
Strange.
This is heading to Grantham.
Oh yeah.
So you remember we always come this way, across the road here and down here.
Yeah, but Right, we stopped at Henkling for a break. We've been here before. There's some ducks and more hens and chicks down there. Well, I've got my sunglasses on, but it's getting grey up there, it is. Right, it started raining, so we're getting rain gear on. Hopefully it won't last long, but you never know. I'm going to put my trouser clips on. Ryan's got his brolly on, so I didn't bring mine.
Yeah, we're just having quite a sharp shower, aren't we?
I'll take the sunglasses off. Covering the... It still looks flipping grey as hell out here.
Yeah, bright over there. I mean, although it's been coming this way, hasn't it? It's going that way, so...
It looks grey everywhere, literally as far as the eye can see. Anyway, I don't know much battery. Anyway, we'll come back later. Well, it's close to flipping hailing, but I wasn't surprised if it does. I'm so glad, just saying, I'm so glad we brought rain gear. We got a lot of people saying, why do we bring so much stuff? Because they see these ultralight videos and think that's like the only way to, you know, do bikepacking. Well, we'd rather have the stuff we need.
People probably see my umbrella strapped to the bike and think, bloody hell, you don't need an umbrella to cycle.
Yeah.
It's quite useful now.
Well, I've got one. I just something made me not bother with it. Yeah, it's very
thunder and lightning, yeah.
It's possible. I mean,
it is.
Because on one of the weather apps, I looked at it. It had like a lightning symbol on it.
Yeah, that it could every chance, but.
Right, I'll bring you back up. You're very wet. Out on a country road. In the rain. But it's nice. It's a nice place. Kind of peaceful and quiet. It's bloody dark as hell though. It could go on for ages. Luckily I've got like a tarp and if I need it. This is the reality of what we go through to bring you videos. Jesus Christ.
That's fucking ridiculous.
I'm trying to keep my...
I thought the worst had come. That ain't the worst.
It's literally hail. Well, it's not hail, but yeah. It could go to hail.
Oh, ice, look.
Yeah, it's borderline hail. Oh. You might not be able to hear me, it's so loud.
This is crazy.
I've got my back to where the wind's blowing from. Anyway. Yeah, it's almost ice it is. Right, we're still at the same place. We've been here some time. We're thinking, hoping it'll stop raining soon. As you can see, it's getting brighter over there.
brightening up in lovely summer weather.
Yeah, it was meant to be flipping summer. Let's go have a look what's going on. Some people doing some work. Anyway, when we get going, it's not too far to Grantham. Right, it's finally stopped raining. It was a bit noisy, some men doing some work. Right, I think we're going to get going soon. Head towards Grantham. Well, I'm not going to deny it. I'm walking up another hill. Really struggling on this one. Not my sort of trip. I like trips where it's flat. I'm absolutely knackered. I feel very burnt out. This is what I meant about it being type 2 fun. The bloody brakes are fucking rubbing. Oh well, I'll bring it back whenever. Well, that is quite some view. I'm really quite high now. And it's just a view out a long way. And I bet you're getting ahead. But I'm just absolutely burnt out. Should have come on my other bike. Well, I'm going to try and ride a bit more until the next hill. Well, we're having a break. You know, it's a very nice place, it is. Well, things are starting to dry off now as the sun's been out.
Yeah, warmed up. My gloves have started to dry out.
I've had my phone in this toe peak case, so I'm going to get the phone out, and I know it still works because I've already pressed the button. Guy and Alan sent me a message, but I'll reply to it later. I'm just going to have a look on the map because it seemed quite away from Grantham. Well, do you still need to go to the shop at Grantham?
Yeah, I've got to go and get my dinner and water for today, water for tomorrow.
God, that looks like quite some fucking way we've got to go.
What a lovely spot.
Bloody hell, how about I just made a route up and it's like, fuck, it's probably not the same. It's fucking 16 fucking miles, it's probably not the same. I'm not going to save it anyway, so I just...
I'll show you the route on fucking 38.
Yeah, alright then.
What's this way? I need 20 past 3, got like...
Right, we're going down a hill. That means it'll be up a hill, but the sun's out. The sky's still a bit grey. Lovely out in the countryside. There's some kind of a big TV transmitter ahead. I don't know if that's, I'm not sure if it's Waltham on the Wold. Not sure. Because I used to have an interest in ham radio. I know there's a big ham radio repeater out here somewhere. Car back, I think. Car back. I'm letting him past. He's a bit deaf, so... Sorry if you heard that here, but... I guess he didn't hear me shouting. Another lovely little village. Where did Ian go? Can't see him. Damn, he's getting... I don't know which way he went. I don't know if he went down that right turn in. I don't want to go down a hill. I've got a feeling he's gone... Oh, did he... Oh, he's down there. There's a sign there that says Waltham. So that tower over there must be the Waltham Underworld. It's a ham radio repeater. Right. I think it is. I need to take some more photos there. Well, we're near a village called Saltby. We stopped at a bridge to... Ian's going to make coffee. And he reckons he dropped his glove over the side by accident. I'll see if I can see the damn thing. Obviously, you know, I could get my feet wet, but I can't even see it. Yeah, I'm going to get my feet wet. I gotta go back and see if he's definitely dropped. No, if I could just go in the water. If I,
I'm sure I put it in the, well, I've only got one. Wherever, I don't even know where I put that.
did you have them on?
Huh?
Did you have them on?
I put it on there and I'm sure it dropped in there. I've got a spare pair.
I stood there for a while and couldn't see it.
I could quite easily get snagged on something.
I was going to go underneath.
They're only really cheap thin fleece ones from Decathlon. $1.99 I think. I'd rather have not lost them, right? But anyway.
I could go in the water and...
Really packed the stove at the bottom of this because I didn't think I'd need it.
That was the best. Well, we're going to make a coffee. Well, I need to film this really quick. We're going onto a path near Grantham called the Drift, if you want to look it up. And there's literally, we've heard thunder. Ian's ran over there to get his rain gear on. I've stayed here just to film this quickly. We literally just heard right above a load of thunder. And it was probably going to rain. I just stayed there to film that quickly. I mean, I need to get the rain gear back on quick. Shit. Well, I got the rain gear on, and well, it's sort of, it kind of like rained a bit, stopped, and then I had some, and there's some hailstones.
Well, they've only had one clap of thunder. It's been, so it's quite far away, isn't it?
See these hailstones? I don't know what that was. Yeah, quite an adventure so far. You can see the sun over there, but the sky is bloody broody up there. You don't know how long it's going to last. Anyway, I'll bring you back if it happens.
Oh, look at the size of these hailstones.
Oh my god, oh my god. I'm glad I got my fucking helmet and rain gear on. The fucking hailstone. Most of the bags are waterproof, so I'm not too bothered. But hail can be dangerous. My bags are, yeah, these are all bloody waterproof and everything. My phone should be alright because it's in this waterproof bag.
Fun and games.
Yeah. It was a bit scary when we had the thunder, but what can you do? It's the nature of travelling like this. What happens, happens. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, we're in the wrong place. We should have the trees right next to us. It's coming this way.
This is just kind of fucked up a bit. And them bags aren't done up the best. Well, at least the rain gear is keeping me kind of out of it a bit. Well, we're not far from Grantham. After that storm, can you see the rainbow over there? It's only half of one there. Right, we're in Grantham. Right, Ian's getting some stuff at a co-op in Disused Road in Grantham. Right, we're going away from the shop, going down onto the Grantham canal. We're gonna ride along a bit and find a camp. Yeah, probably.
But I've got something in there.
Yep. What's that, a bike? Right, we decided to stop on the Grantham canal, have a non-alcoholic beer, because I'm getting flipping hot and tired, and I've got another one I'll have later with my tea. Right, back on my back. I was literally just going to have a piss in.
I know, I need one.
There's a man.
Oh yeah?
What? Is there another path up there? There's a woman with a dog.
Just walk there. I didn't realise cars could go there, because I've looked at there thinking, I bet that could be like a good farmer's field.
Did that woman with a dog come past when I wasn't looking?
No.
There must be a path up there then. Well, I'm going to crack the bear open and see what it's like. Oh bollocks, I should have expected that, but... It's a bit warm. Oh, it's good though. Right, we're stopped on the Grantham Canal. We've found where we're going to camp. We're going to eat our food on this bench here. I've got cold food, so I hope it tastes alright. It should do. Bloody rain gear. Oh, that's alright. Should be. I might not eat all of this, but I'm gonna have to get rid of the weight. I'm having that to start with. These chicken poppers, or some of them. I might save the big pot pie. Depends how hungry I feel. And I'm going to get my other can of beer out. Well, non-alcoholic. If I can find it. Well, so I'm going to sit down and eat the food.
Yeah.
Well, we're just off a canal. The sun is going down. We're just getting the camp set up. There's a chance it could start raining soon, so we want to get ready. That's a bit cosy looking.
Literally just going to sleep next to it. I might be able to pull this out.
Yeah, I need to get on with getting mine done. Right, I'm back under the bivvy because it started raining and it could get worse. So I think this is it for the night. So, good night unless anything happens. See you in the morning, which might be on another video. Right, we're packed up and just making a morning coffee on the canal. I didn't have a great night's sleep. I mean,
yeah, it's very windy. I had my tarp wrapped, so it's blowing in the wind all night.
yeah.
I feel fine though this morning there.
Yeah, I need to get some liquids down there. I love down the canal this morning. Right, we're having a break on the canal. It's tiring riding. I do love these way these reeds look, and there's some like, what are they, reed warblers we keep in.
Yeah. Really nice to hear them.
Yeah, cycling on this grass is tough.
Yeah, it's target. I've been looking, we're doing about 6 mile an hour average.
And I keep seeing them signs that says like 20 miles to Trent.
Yeah.
Or whatever. I'll see what food I got left over.
You want to?
I'll see what food. I ain't got much
I've
left.
got loads actually. I bought too much, but there's not exactly.
Yeah, I might have a pork pie or whatever, or a sausage roll. Well, I'm on the Grantham canal. Ian's gone off up ahead. I've been really struggling today. I think this will be the last time I do any trips on the Grantham Canal. Right, I'm just under a bridge. You've seen me and Ian here before. And Ian once camped over there. Well, I couldn't do it because the road noise would do my head in. Oh wait. I know I said some negative stuff. I feel very let down by my fitness sometimes. And it's a struggle to get like training in. That's why I joined a cycling club, yeah, it's kind of that just isn't working out. Anyway, I think there's been quite a interesting camp. Yesterday, being stuck out in the rain was kind of fun. So I hope it was kind of an interesting video. So I'll catch you on whatever comes next. The reason at end of some videos, I basically, I know for a fact there's videos where at the end I look miserable. And that's just a feel, sometimes I feel absolutely exhausted to the point where it's not really much fun anymore. Oh wait, oh I'm tired, I'm gonna see what food I've got. And I'll see you on another video, and I'll probably do a live stream soon. Right, bye for now.